If you have been following crypto news recently, you have probably heard about Europe's new MiCA regulations. But what do these rules actually mean for everyday crypto users? Could they affect where you buy Bitcoin or store your digital assets? Today, I'll explain you everything in simple terms and show you why one platform, Paybis, has become a strong option for both European and US users. Welcome back to Crypto Journal. If you enjoy crypto education, market insights, and honest platform reviews, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's break down what changed in July 2026 and why it matters. On July 1st, 2026, Europe's MiCA regulations entered a major new phase, introducing stricter rules for crypto exchanges and service providers operating across the European Union. For users, this means choosing a compliant platform is more important than ever. Platforms without the required MiCA cash authorization may face restrictions as the new rules are implemented, which could impact the services they provide or how users access their funds. Some major exchanges, including Binance, continue to adjust their European operations and licensing under the new MiCA framework. So today, it's not just about finding the lowest fees, it's about choosing a platform that's secure, transparent, and built for future. That's exactly why platforms with the proper regulatory approvals are becoming the preferred choice for both EU and US crypto users. This is where Paybis really sounds out. Unlike many platforms that are still adapting to Europe's changing regulatory landscape, Paybis has already secured its MiCA cash authorization, allowing it to operate under the EU's new regulatory framework. For users in the United States, Paybis is also registered with FinCEN, showing its commitment to regulatory compliance in another major market. The company has been operating since 2014 and has earned the trust of more than 7 million users around the world. Those numbers don't guarantee future performance, but they do show that Paybis has years of experience serving crypto customers through multiple market cycles. Regulation is only part of the story. The platform is also designed to make crypto accessible for everyone. Buying Bitcoin or hundreds of other cryptocurrency is simple using a credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or PayPal. Your first purchase comes with 0% Paybis fees, making it a great way for new users to get started. Transactions are processed quickly, and for many users, identity verification takes less than 2 minutes. Paybis also provides a free wallet supporting hundreds of cryptocurrencies, while still allowing you to send purchase crypto directly to your own external wallet if you prefer self-custody. Depending on your region and local regulations, eligible users may also be able to purchase up to $1,000 worth of crypto without full verification. And if you ever need assistance, customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, let's take a quick look at the platform before you create an account. Make sure to use my referral link in the description so you can claim the exclusive promotional offer. One thing I immediately noticed is how clean and professional the dashboard looks. Everything is organized into clear sections, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Buying crypto only takes a few clicks. Simply choose the cryptocurrency you want, select your preferred payment method, and complete the purchase. Paybis supports Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, and standard bank cards, making it convenient for users with different preferences. The platform also allows you to sell crypto or swap one cryptocurrency for another, so you're not limited to just buying another feature I really like is the wallet management section. Creating a new wallet is incredibly simple. Just click Add Wallet, select the cryptocurrency you want, such as Avalanche, give the wallet a name, and it's ready within seconds. If you prefer using another wallet, you can also send your crypto directly to your external wallet address. You'll find live cryptocurrency prices covering a wide range of digital assets. Prices can be displayed in USD, EUR, and several other supported local currencies, making it easier to track the market using the currency you're most familiar with. There's also a built-in crypto calculator that lets you instantly estimate how much crypto you will receive before completing a purchase. Small features like these make the overall experience much smoother. If you're thinking about trying Paybis, now is a great time. By registering through my referral link and using the promo code in the description, you will receive, as a new user, you'll get 0% Paybis fees on your first trade, so you can experience the platform while keeping your initial cost as low as possible. On top of that, you will also receive 50% off Paybis fees on your next 5 trades, helping you save even more as you continue buying, selling, or swapping cryptocurrencies. It's a simple way to reduce your cost while exploring the platform. The crypto industry continues to evolve and regulations are becoming an increasingly important part of choosing where to buy and manage digital assets. If you're looking for a platform that combines regulatory compliance, ease of use, multiple payment options, and over a decade of industry experience, Paybis is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check it out, click my referral link in the description, download the Paybis app, and activate your exclusive offer with the promo code provided below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Crypto Journal, and hit the notification bell for more crypto news tutorials and platform reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.